create an exterior design in Sweet Home 3D, just go to the toolbar and click the Create Walls button. Next, click on the home plan area and start drawing the walls. Once it's done, add the doors and windows to your plan. Finally, create the roofs as well. If you need help with that, you can find my roof tutorial in the description. As the next step, create the entire lot as one large floor using the Create Rooms tool. Click Create Rooms and start drawing a floor around the house. Now let's add some exterior materials. Just double click on this floor, select Texture, click this button, select the dry soil material, and click OK twice. This will be the base for the garden later. Let's change the materials for the walls, roof, windows and doors. Just press Ctrl A on your plan, right click, and select Modify Walls. In the dialog, select Texture, click this button, and select the wall material you prefer. Once it's done, click OK. You can use the baseboard tool to create a plinth around the exterior walls. Enable this checkbox, select Texture, click this button, select the bricks or stone material, then click OK. In this section, you can increase the height of your plinth. Then click OK twice. For easier editing, I just hide the roof. Since it's a group of furniture, I just select it, go to the furniture list, and uncheck this checkbox. Next, select the same windows, then right-click with the mouse, and select Modify Furniture. In this dialog, select Materials, click Modify, select the frame of the window, then select Texture, click this button, select the wood material, then click OK 3 times. Just repeat the same process on the other windows as well. You can add the floor and some walls to the interior. Now let's continue with the porch. To get started, go to Plan, select Levels, and click Add Level. Next, go to the Level 1 tab, double-click it with the left mouse button, and here, adjust the elevation and the floor thickness until the porch reaches the desired height. Now let's use 10 inches. Then click OK, go to the toolbar, select Create Rooms, then draw the porch as a simple floor. As the final step, double-click the floor, select Texture, and apply a texture to it. Then click OK twice. You can use exactly the same method to create balconies. If you want to add stairs to your porch, go to the Furniture catalog, select Miscellaneous, and resize a box object. As the next step, create driveways and walkways. Go back to level 0, select Create Rooms in the toolbar, and draw the desired shape. You can even use one floor or combine several floors. Then, select the floors, right-click with the mouse, and select Modify Rooms. In the dialog, select Texture, click this button, then apply a paving stone, brick, or any other material. Then click OK twice. If you are not happy with the scale, right-click again, select Modify Rooms, go back to Texture, and adjust the scale. Then click OK twice. If you want to bring the floor on top of the other, just select it, cut it, then paste it. The porch is not visible now since it's created on level 1. There are several ways to create a pool in Sweet Home 3D. The easiest way is to build it from resized box objects. Just go to the toolbar, select Miscellaneous, and add the box to your plan. Then resize the box to create the pool edge. To do this, double-click the box, and in this dialog, adjust its dimensions. For example, set its width to 100 inches, its depth to 10 inches, while its height to 5 inches. Then click OK. Make a copy of it. Then make the other sides of the pool. Arrange the boxes to create the sides. Then add the floor or a thin box as the water surface. Add the new box to your plan. Resize it. Double-click it. And set its height to 0.5 inches. Then click OK. As a final step, apply some materials. Double-click on this box again. Go to Texture. Click this button. And apply a seamless water texture to it. Adjust its scale if needed. Then click OK twice. Then select the edge of the pool. Right-click. Select Modify Furniture. Go to Texture. Select a texture. Then click OK twice. Another option is to import a ready-made pool model from websites like CG Trader or other 3D model libraries. If the pool should be below ground level, then create a new level below the terrain and place the pool there. Then move this pool to this new level and add a water surface to it. For a realistic recessed pool with a transparent water surface, leave an opening in the ground and apply a transparent water texture. There are several ways to create fences in Sweet Home 3D. The first method is combine thicker and thinner wall segments. Just go to the toolbar, select Create Walls, and start drawing a wall segment. For precise dimensions, press the Enter key. Enter length, for example 6 feet. Then press Enter. In the tooltip, move to the angle with the arrow button. Set 180 degrees. Then go back to length. Select 12 inches. And adjust the thickness to 12 inches as well. Then press the Enter key. Now set the length to 6 feet again. Set the angle to 180 degrees. And set the thickness to 4 inches. Then press Enter. Just repeat the same process to create your fence. If you want to adjust the height of the different sections, select the wall segments, then right-click with the mouse, select Modify Walls, and in this section, you can set your desired height. Then click OK. You can also modify the height of the columns separately. Just select them, right-click, select Modify Walls, and set a different height. Then click OK. To create decorative caps on the top of your fence, use resized box objects. As the final step, apply a brick material to your fence. To create a longer fence, move this into its position and make some copy of this segment. To create a copy in an easy way, hold down the Ctrl and the Shift keys at the same time and drag the selected objects with your left mouse button. You can also import ready-made fence models from Sweet Home 3D libraries or other online model websites. All you need to do is to make some copies of these models and apply a texture to them. What's more, you can combine these two building techniques. To get started, select these wall segments, right-click them, and select Modify Walls, and decrease the height to 25 inches. Then click OK. Now grab the rail, move it to its position. If you can't move it inside the wall, just hold down the Alt key. Then modify the dimensions of the rail to fit this opening. Once it's done, make some copy of it and apply a different color or material to the rails. Let's design a garden for your house. The easiest way to create grass is by drawing a floor over the lawn area. Go to the toolbar, select Create Rooms, then draw a floor, then click Select Tools, double-click the floor, select Texture, click this button, and in this dialog, type Grass in the search bar. If you can't find these grass materials in your list, just download the official Sweet Home 3D texture libraries. Select one of the textures and click OK. Click OK again. Zoom in, and if you are not happy with the scale, double-click the floor, go back to texture, and adjust the scale value here. Then click OK twice. If you want to turn your entire lot into a lawn, double-click it, go to Texture, select the grass texture, and click OK twice. Import plans from sweethome3d.com and place them like any other furniture. Resize and position them as needed. To create a wall hedge, just select this model and make some copy of it. Once it's done, select them, right-click with the mouse, and select Group Furniture. Now you can move and modify it as a single object. As the final step, move it into its position. If you want to increase the height of the hedge, right-click the group, select Modify Furniture, and in the size section, increase its height. Then click OK. To create a flower bed, draw another floor and apply a soil or mulch texture to it. As the final step, add some flowers to it. If you want to create a circular flower bed, you have to create a circular wall first. Select Create Walls, start drawing a wall segment, hold down the Ctrl key, left-click with the mouse 3 times, then draw back to the original starting point, hold down the Ctrl key again, and double-click with the left mouse button. Once your circular wall is done, select Create Rooms and double-click inside it. Finally, delete the wall segments and apply a soil texture to this floor. With the same technique, you can create ponds, pools, or other circular objects. As the final step, import garden furniture and move them to the right position. To continue learning, check out the next video. And if you are new, start with the beginner course playlist.